So I look at the slider this morning and I'm like, what the heck? And I see these leaves. You see them both. And I'm like, what kind of matrix crap is this? Suspended in time. But I know, now logically I know, and you know, it's caught on a spider web. But I was like, what kind of nature magic is this morning? Just got a leaf dancing around. And yes, I'm easily amused. But clearly, if you look, you can see the spider web gleaming in the sunlight in the morning. Maybe get right there. Oh, there it is. And the leaf just happened to get caught and just not completely fall. There it is. Just hanging out like a weird matrixy trick. Mother Nature's got skill. Have a great day.